What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can change the language of your Pocket Option dashboard or your Pocket Option account. Also, if you guys want to save up on Pocket Option trading fees, you can use the link from the description below to create a new Pocket Option account, and that way you will get 10% lifetime trading fee discounts on that account. And now let's continue. So once you're in your Pocket Option account, from your dashboard, go over to the upper right corner and click onto your profile icon. From there, you can just click on English right here or whichever language you have currently set right here. And then you can just change it in this language menu. So these are the languages that Pocket Option offers. So just select whichever language you would like to change it to. So let's, for example, say Polish. And then the page will refresh and everything will be on that language that you have set. So that's guys how you can change the language on your Pocket Option account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.